about is like where multiple technologies that you can query across multiple platforms and technology. That is a definite win for the client. Realistically, at the end of the day, like if this becomes the common kind of lexicon slash kind of storage in a different way, right? Like, okay, look, anything that Jamin learns through a focus group and anything that I learned on a survey has a commonality now, right? Has like maybe you put both of them into a kind of an AI repository, obviously, right? So and then you can query that AI repository. Like that's let's assume that that's the underlying kind of tech model. Now that's a huge win, obviously, right? So like now that's a direct win instead of like it's very difficult to kind of combine like different tools, technologies all into a common data format, which is almost nearly, I mean, that's why it's not happened so far, because the common data format does not exist. There is no common data format. But with something like ChatGPT, you can pump in data into it, say like, and the common data format is frankly text at this point. Like you can pump in like, hey, this is all the things I learned from a survey, this is all the things I learned from running a focus group. Let's just take a simple let me kind of simplify that example. Like Jamin can put the focus group into the chat into the kind of findings of ChatGPT, and and QuestionPro can put the findings of the survey into ChatGPT, and then that thing is queryable by anybody. And I think that the real kind of like smart innovation really is that the query interface is a chat interface, which is a more human conversational interface. Realistically, it's not a search interface, but it's a chat interface. Let's put it that way. So that there is definitely something to that with respect to kind of like adoption, and that's why people are a little bit more excited. Is like it's more like the query interface itself is kind of like not a search bar but a chat bar. So there is a kind of shift over there, kind of material shift that I think that's also playing a part.